Cash App, instant access or waiting game. Ever split a bill with friends and scramble to pay your share? Maybe you're online, selling some old clothes, and need a way to receive the cash quickly. In today's fast-paced world, waiting for payments isn't exactly ideal. That's where Cash App comes in. Popular for its peer-to-peer money transfers, it promises a convenient way to send and receive money instantly. But is it really that quick? Does Cash App actually go into your account immediately? Let's dive into the world of Cash App transactions and see how fast things really move. Understanding Cash App transfers. First things first, Cash App offers two ways to hold your money: your Cash App balance and your linked bank account. When someone sends you money, it goes into your Cash App balance by default. This balance is like a digital wallet within the app itself. Now, the speed of receiving money depends on where you want it to go, staying in your Cash App balance or transferring it to your linked bank account. Instant gratification, Cash App balance. Here's the good news: transfers between Cash App users are indeed instant. When a friend sends you money, you'll see the amount reflected in your Cash App balance right away. This is fantastic for those quick payments, splitting bills on the spot, or receiving payments for your online hustle. The wait continues: transfers to your bank. But what if you want that money in your actual bank account? Here's where things slow down a bit. Transfers from your Cash App balance to your linked bank account aren't quite as instantaneous. Cash App typically takes 1 to 3 business days to complete these transfers. So, while you see the money deducted from your Cash App balance right away, it might take a couple of days to show up in your bank account. Why the delay? There are a few reasons behind this wait. Cash App needs to verify the transaction and ensure sufficient funds are available before moving the money to your bank. Additionally, bank processing times come into play. Banks have their own internal procedures and schedules that can add a layer of delay. Speed it up, sometimes instant deposits. Cash App does offer a feature called instant deposits for a fee. This can push the transfer to your bank account in a matter of minutes, depending on your bank and their processing capabilities. However, it's important to note that instant deposits aren't always available, and there's a fee associated with using them. So, when do you need Cash App immediately? Knowing the different speeds is key. If you need access to the money right away for an upcoming purchase or to pay a bill, keeping it in your Cash App balance might be the best option. You can then use the Cash App debit card, which is linked to your Cash App balance, to make payments directly. However, if you want to transfer the money to your bank account for long-term storage or budgeting purposes, then the 1 to 3 business day wait might be acceptable. Beyond speed, security matters. While the speed of transactions is important, security shouldn't be overlooked. Cash App employs various security measures to protect your information and funds. It's always a good practice to enable two-factor authentication and keep your app password strong. Cash App, a balancing act. Cash App offers a convenient way to send and receive money. While transfers between Cash App users are instant, moving funds to your bank account takes a bit longer. Understanding these different speeds and the reasons behind them can help you decide how to best utilize Cash App for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.